Here we have an example installation demonstration of one of our ILB0075 separators. The inlet is going to be over here on the right side, which is plumbed from the pump discharge. The outlet is going to be here on the top, which flows to the pressure tank, to the irrigation equipment, to the downstream housing, whatever it's flowing to. And the bottom here is going to be the discharge purge solids, and we have manual ball valves available as well as automatic ball valves for timed purges if maintenance is not readily accessible. It is currently shown on a wall-mounted system. There is an available tripod mount for a floor standing installation as well. These pressure gauges are very important for troubleshooting and monitoring the separator. This unit has a flow range of 10 to 20 gallons a minute and associated pressure loss of 5 to 12 psi pounds differential across it. So at 10 gallons a minute, you can estimate an approximate pressure loss across the separator of about 5 psi. At the upper end of the flow range, at the 20 gallon a minute mark, you can estimate approximately 12 psi differential. And it's going to be at a direct relationship